Welcome to the world of artistic soap making, where the purest ingredients of nature are transformed into exquisite masterpieces through patience, precision, and soul-filled craftsmanship. We begin with the essence of life itself. These precious essential oils carry the concentrated fragrance and healing properties of the plants from which they were extracted. Delicate botanicals like these dried rose petals add not only visual beauty, but also a gentle touch of nature's texture to every bar of soap we create. From calming lavender to refreshing lemongrass, our selection of herbs is chosen with the utmost care to ensure a sensory experience that rejuvenates both body and mind. Every leaf and petal tells a story of the earth. We honor these gifts by preserving their integrity throughout our entire artisanal manufacturing process in the studio. The foundation of a great soap is in its base oils. We use premium coconut oil for its incredible cleansing properties and rich, creamy lathering capabilities. Paired with rich olive oil, our formula ensures a bar that is deeply moisturizing and gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin types in the family. In this sanctuary of scent and science, we prepare the stage for a transformation where raw, natural materials become a luxury product for your daily ritual. As the mixing begins, the magic of saponification takes place. The oils and lye solution merge perfectly, reaching a state we call the trace, thick and creamy. The texture must be exactly right. This stage requires constant observation to ensure the mixture is stable, smooth, and ready to receive its artistic colors and fragrances. Precision in timing is everything. We monitor the viscosity closely, as this will determine how well the colors will blend and swirl in the next creative phase. Science guides our art. Using a laser thermometer, we verify that the temperature is optimal, ensuring the chemical reaction is controlled and the quality remains consistent. A few degrees can make a world of difference. Maintaining the perfect heat balance is the secret to achieving that signature smooth finish in every single batch. The warmth of the process releases the first hints of aroma into the air. It is a quiet, meditative moment before the explosion of colors begins. Next, we prepare our palette. These natural mineral micas provide the vibrant, shimmering colors that define our aesthetic, all sourced responsibly from the Earth's natural minerals. Each pigment is measured with absolute precision. We blend these colors to create unique shades that evoke the beauty of flowers, oceans, and the natural landscape. Before adding them to the soap, we pre-disperse the pigments. This ensures the color is perfectly even, preventing any clumps and allowing for a flawless artistic finish. Our color palette is ready. From soft pastels to bold tones, these hues will soon dance together in a display of liquid art, unlike any other product. Preparation is key to the marbling technique. Everything must be in place, as the window for artistic creation is short once the soap begins to set. Now the dance begins. We pour the first layer of color into the base, watching as the green mint shade meets the creamy white soap batter. Next comes the pink rose hue, added with a steady, rhythmic hand. Each layer is poured from a specific height to control the depth and the spread. The lavender accents are added last, providing a sophisticated contrast. Already, the surface is beginning to resemble a liquid canvas, full of potential and beauty. With a delicate tool, we begin the marbling. This is the heart of our craft, where the artisan's movement dictates the unique pattern of every batch. There is no way to replicate these patterns exactly. Each swirl is a moment captured in time, an organic flow of color that reflects the artisan's soul. The secret lies in the light touch. We guide the colors to interact, creating depth and movement that looks like natural stone or a flowing river. Up close, the complexity is breathtaking. The shimmering minerals catch the light, adding a dimension of luxury that makes our soap truly stand out as art. We cover every inch of the surface, ensuring that when the soap is eventually cut, every single bar will have its own unique and beautiful design. The result is a masterpiece of marbling, a harmonious blend of nature-inspired colors that is as pleasing to the eye as it is to the skin. The creative phase is complete. Now we must let the soap rest and transform, allowing time to solidify the beauty we have just created together. We use traditional wooden molds which provide excellent insulation. This helps the soap maintain its temperature and allows for a more even and consistent cure. The pouring process is slow and controlled. We want to preserve the intricate swirls we worked so hard to create, ensuring they stay intact within the mold. As the mold fills, the patterns settle. The soap naturally finds its level, creating a smooth surface that highlights the complexity of the internal marbling design. A few gentle taps remove any air pockets. Perfection is found in these small details, ensuring a solid, dense bar that will last in your bathroom. Each mold represents hours of labor and care. They sit in silence now as the slow, chemical journey of curing begins in our climate-controlled room. Time is the invisible ingredient. Over the next 24 to 48 hours, the liquid soap transforms into a solid block of luxurious, skin-loving cleanser. The gloss fades into a beautiful satin finish. The soap is now firm to the touch, having successfully navigated the most critical stage of its production. For the final touch of texture, we add a crowning layer of botanicals. These herbs provide an organic, rustic elegance to the top of every bar. We press them in just enough to secure them. This creates a beautiful contrast between the smooth, marbled soap and the raw, natural beauty of the plants. In this quiet space, the soap will rest for weeks. This long curing period allows the water to evaporate, resulting in a harder, longer-lasting product. The moment of revelation has arrived. We carefully unmold the large soap block, seeing the full scale of our artistic creation for the first time. The block is heavy and solid, a testament to the quality of our oils and the precision of our process. Now it's ready to be divided. We use a multi-wire cutter for consistency. Every bar must be the same size and weight, ensuring that our customers receive a perfect product every time. The wire glides through like a hot knife through butter. This clean cut is essential for showcasing the internal beauty of the marbled design inside. Listen to the silence of the process. This stage is incredibly satisfying as the labor of several weeks finally takes its final recognizable shape. Every slice reveals a surprise. The internal patterns are even more stunning than the surface, showing how the colors moved and mingled deep within the mold. No two bars are ever the same. This uniqueness is the hallmark of true artisanal craft, making each piece of soap a personal work of art. We inspect every single bar by hand. Quality control is not a department here. It is a personal responsibility that we take with great pride. Row after row, the bars are set out to finish their cure. The sight of these colorful blocks is a rewarding end to the production cycle. Now, we leave our mark. The logo stamp is the final seal of quality, representing our brand's commitment to excellence and natural, sustainable beauty. With a firm, steady press, the logo is embedded. This simple act transforms a piece of soap into a finished product of the NextGen AI Factory. The impression is crisp and permanent. It stands as a promise to our customers that they are holding a product made with passion and integrity. Seeing the branded bars lined up is a moment of pure satisfaction. It is where the raw beauty of nature meets the structure of a luxury brand. We even refine the edges. By beveling the corners, we make the soap feel smoother and more ergonomic. In the palm of your hand from day one, every detail matters. These small refinements are what separate a simple cleaning product from a truly premium artisanal experience that delights the senses. A final polish brings out the best in the colors. The bar is now ready to be shared with the world, a perfect blend of art and utility. Presented in our luxury display, the soaps look like precious stones. They are no longer just soap. They are decorative objects that bring beauty to any home. From the floral notes of rose to the earthy tones of clay, our collection offers a journey through the scents and colors of the natural world. Experience the weight and texture of quality. When you hold our soap, you can feel the density and the care that went into its creation over many weeks. The real magic happens when water is added. The soap comes to life, releasing its carefully curated fragrances and beginning its primary mission of cleansing. The lather is rich, dense, and incredibly soft. It feels like silk against the skin, providing a deep clean without stripping away the body's natural moisture. Our unique blend of oils ensures a foam that is both luxurious and effective. It's a moment of daily indulgence that everyone deserves to experience. It rinses away perfectly, leaving behind only the subtle scent of essential oils and skin that feels hydrated, healthy, and beautifully cared for after every wash. Our artisans take pride in every bar. This is a labor of love, a commitment to a slower, more intentional way of making things that truly matter. Designed for the modern home, our soaps add a touch of natural luxury to your bathroom, turning a simple routine into a sophisticated, sensory experience. Every element of our process is inspired by nature. We bring the garden and the laboratory together to create something that is both beautiful and functional. Our commitment extends to the planet. We use sustainable plastic-free packaging that protects our products while honoring the environment from which our ingredients came. Each package is finished by hand. It's a gift from our hands to yours, a personal connection between the maker and the person who will use it. Ready to travel the world, these soaps carry the spirit of our workshop. They are ambassadors of a craftsmanship that values quality over quantity every time. Take a moment to appreciate the art. The way the colors flow is a reminder of the beauty found in movement and the harmony of natural elements. From the first drop of oil to the final stamp, every step is a deliberate choice. We choose quality, we choose nature, and we choose art. Let the scent transport you. Our blends are designed to evoke emotions and memories, creating a moment of peace in your busy, modern everyday life. This is the human touch. In an age of mass production, we remain dedicated to the handmade, the unique, and the soulfully crafted product for you. NextGen AI Factory is a place where technology and tradition coexist, allowing us to push the boundaries of what is possible in the world of artisanal soap. NextGen AI Factory. Natural luxury. Handcrafted with soul. Elevate your daily ritual with the finest botanical creations made with absolute love and scientific precision. Thank you for joining our journey. Explore our collection today and bring the essence of nature into your home with our unique handcrafted soap masterpieces.